umaga, gabi, hapon, o kung kailan niyo man pinapanood ang episode na to, mapalisunod ka man, watcher ka man, o isa ka sa aming minamahal na Black Knights. Good day, Black Knights! I am Claire Ashley. I'm the Queen from Yung 11 Ligan, and I am your female podcast host. And welcome back to another episode of MMC, or the Mindful Media Conversations. So, ayan, Black Knights, kumusta kayo? As you all can see, wala si Robby ngayon, so ako na lang muna. So, let's make it quick. Ngayon, meron tayong dalawang topic, which is OJT and marketing season. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ano nga ba ang OJT? Ang OJT po is on-job experience ng mga grade 12 students, kung saan nagigain sila ng experiences sa mga bagay-bagay. Like, for example, yung mga STEM students, some of them are nasa clinics, while yung mga YUMs naman is nagtuturo, tapos yung mga IBEM is, some of them are nasa bangko. Well, tas, ICT sa mga programmings, and HE is like nagluluto sila. Ngayon na, sana i-wish natin na magkaroon ng maging successful yung OJT nila, at sana makabalik sila ng ligtas. So, as I said kanina, dalawa yung topic natin, di ba? Meron tayong marketing season. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, Black Knights, ano nga ba ang marketing season? So, ang marketing season po is minamarket po natin yung schools natin sa ibang school para po mas makilala yung school natin. So, as for now, ongoing po ang marketing season since medyo mahaba-haba po ang marketing season natin. So, sana i-wish natin na maging successful po ang ating ginagawang marketing season. So with that, let's wait for our further updates. Again, I am Claire Ashley. I'm the Queen from Yung 11 Ligan. And as always, stay mindful in the media. We're having conversations. Bye-bye!